It's day 1 in QC and day 1 of quick jog. Diri sa Patiktoy Kragun. Let's go. Last lap for the 5 km. That was almost 40 minutes, 39 minutes and 8 seconds for a 5 km run. So it was the 39 minutes and 8 seconds run for 5 km. So wala ko lang expect nga uphill and downhill ang lugar. Kalinindot pa daganan dire kay Mingaw, din one way ang mga sakyanan. At the same time private truck nga dire. More like a village mga area. Dinundot ra po tiktiyukan. Worth it. And then look at the sunrise. That's it for today.